In Scrum, the story of the chicken and the pig is often used to describe committed and involved roles. As the story goes, a chicken and pig were walking together when the chicken suggests they open a restaurant. The pig agrees and asks what they should call it, to which the chicken replies, "Ham and eggs." After a moment of thought, the pig says, "No thanks, I'd be committed, but you'd only be involved." The three Scrum roles are committed, or the pigs. Pigs are directly accountable for completion of the task at hand. In other words, their bacon is on the line if the task isn't completed on time. They include the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the team. The people who together get the work done. The Scrum values dictate that pigs be allowed to focus, so they can be completely committed to the project. As the pigs have accountability, they are also empowered to provide estimates for the task and committing to the work to drive the project. The pigs must have the authority to do what is necessary to ensure success, as they are responsible for the project's return on investment. The managers, customers, and other stakeholders are involved, or chickens. Chickens play a supplemental role. They have an interest in the project and are consulted on the work to be done and informed on the project's progress. However, they do not actually do any of the work and are not liable if the work is not done on schedule. And while interested in the project's return on investment, they are not accountable. Both chickens and pigs are necessary for a successful project. But for pigs and chickens to work together, there must be an awareness of their different roles and some rules must be followed. First, stakeholders can meet with the product owner to ensure their features are added to the product backlog. But only the product owner can prioritize the items to ensure the highest value features are worked in the sprints. Stakeholders cannot change the priority of their desired features in the product backlog. Also, the stakeholders should not be allowed to distract the team from their task at hand, so they can focus on the work being done. Team members cannot be moved to other teams in the middle of the sprint, as this jeopardizes the entire sprint's success. And new requirements and tasks cannot be added to the sprint backlog once the team has committed to the work in the sprint planning meeting. The difference in involved and committed roles is also important in how the daily Scrum meeting is facilitated. As the Scrum meeting is time-boxed to 15 minutes, the discussions must be brief and relevant. What did each member do yesterday? What will they do today? And what impediments are blocking them? To help keep the Scrum meeting brief, it is often held with all participants standing. While chickens are welcome to attend and observe the daily Scrum meeting to stay informed, only pigs may talk. Chickens must remain silent and are not allowed to make faces or create a distracting presence. This prevents the Scrums from going off topic with questions or long discussions. Though the product owner is a pig, they do not give status in the Scrum meetings and only talk if the team asks them a question to clarify a requirement. The Scrum Master is responsible for enforcing the only pigs can talk rule. If too many chickens attend the daily Scrums, the Scrum Master can limit attendance so the meetings remain focused.